Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Apple menu appear onto your external monitor. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Right now, I have two monitors connected to my computer. How do you actually make it so the Apple menu appears on your other monitor? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So here we have my other monitor. And what you're going to do is that I'm using a Magic Track keypad. You're going to swipe all the way down until the keypad appears on the bottom hand side of the monitor. So notice how the Apple menu has now appeared on this side of the monitor. Now, in order to get it back, again, you're just going to gently swipe down, and there you have it. It now appears back there. So again, here's my other monitor. You're going to scroll down, and I'm just using one finger to actually go ahead and scroll down. And then it automatically appears over here as well. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Apple menu to appear onto your other monitor. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you guys all in the next video.